Tao, magandang buhay, live and alive. I'm here in Talomo District, Catalunan, Pequeño. I just visited my very good friend Leia Fornia here in Wellspring Phase 2. Okay, so it's a nice day today. Walking on the Wellspring subdivision. Exact location is Talomo District, Catalunan, Pequeño, Davao City. Okay, so nice walking this very moment. Just a glimpse of their subdivision also. The houses are like that. Okay, welcome, Wellspring Phase 2, Catalunan, Pequeño. That is their map. Yan, Wellspring Village. Pauwi na ako. So, atid niya ako sa sakyan ng tricycle. Pili ka. Back over there. Okay. Let's go.
Ano na lang, 2 minutes na lang yung lakad natin.
2 minutes from your residence, from your house. So, from here, we need to walk 2 minutes to get
passenger jeep.
Passenger jeep. So, I was thinking, we'll be riding pa a tricycle or no more?
Okay lang, walking.
Walking.
It's
so
only 2 minutes.
2 minutes. This is an exercise also. Yeah, walking is good for the body, for body wellness and body beautiful. So this is my day in Davao City after my wellness, my massage.
Is walking.
Walking, and we have also our convocation or conversation. Yeah, convo. Just sharing you the picture of another subdivision that I am exploring. Sample of their houses, like that. The designs. So, pareho ba ang mga design?
Iba-iba na ngayon.
Iba-iba na.
Nag-improve na sila. Improve na sila ng kanilang house.
And they're allowed also to have improvement, no? Second floor, pwede ba?
Oo.
Allowed din ba dito ang ang mga tinda-tinda, sari-sari store?
Oo, okay. Basta magbayad ka lang ng tamang tax.
Pwede.
Business tax.
So nice to know about that. What I heard, there are other subdivision not allowed this store. Or like this one, they have also the store. Grocery store. Here in Wellspring, Phase 2, for your immediate needs. We are almost there.
Kita mo yung highway.
There's the highway. Highway is there. So this is my life in Davao. Winning friends, visiting old and new friends in Davao, walking, exercising, getting a massage, workout exercises, just rejuvenating, revitalizing every day. We are going down. The topography is like this, no? Pataas, pababa. It's
Tulay.
Yeah.
The bridge.
This one, formerly a bridge.
This one, it's a bridge.
There's a bridge over there. So we are walking, going to the highway, so I can get a ride. The ride to Catalunan, Pequeño. So I'm going home now after our massage session. Okay, more than 1 hour because there is plus how do you call that, my paaman o basta may additional services for wellness. She picked up me a while ago because I'm afraid to cross the street. There is construction.
Yeah, in the
river. What are you doing there? Repairing the I think the dike, the river. There we go. No need to cross.
No need.
Oh, yes. Although in Davao, you are safe, especially if there is pedestrian line. But we have pedestrian line there.
Yes.
I've not seen. Where?
Along there.
Hindi ko nakita. So takot ako pag walang pedestrian line. There's also a taxi here and other vehicles. Probably the vehicles of the owner also. Homeowners. There are also small stores like this, as you can glance with your eyes. This is the terminal. Yeah. Mabuhay! Mabuhay mga terminal ito. There's a terminal for the subdivision. Thank you. Okay, the vlogger down. Vlogger visit is here. Yeah, mabuhay. Here we are going to National Highway. Pag-ibig Homes, welcome. Bell Spring, Phase 2, Phase 3, and San Pedro, Pobida. Okay.
Bed of Paris.
There's no jeep. Can I ride? What is one?
Don't ride that. It's very expensive.
Yes, okay. So from here,
13 pesos.
13 pesos.
13 pesos from here until your...
There, the Choice Mart. So we are waiting for a jeepney ride here in the highway. Or they call this one the stopover as the Pag-ibig. You would like to go to visit their place, you will just tell the jeepney driver, Pag-ibig lang ako ha, baba. There are also bus?
Yes.
Yeah.
Going Kalinan.
Okay.
Kalinan.
Oh, going to Kalinan. Ito yung shuttle. That is the pedestrian line niya.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay na. So next time, I will use this one.
Better to have company.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So busy, but they're in Choice Mart, brand of Choice Mart. They are slowing down.
Yeah.
The vehicles are slowing down. But here, as I can observe, it's not slowing down. Why? Bakit hindi sila nag-minor?
There's no crossing.
There's no crossing.
There's no crossing.
But there is pedestrian line also. Oh, Jeep, where are you now? I need to ride. There's no Jeep. As you can see, the vehicle stop when someone would like to use the pedestrian line. Oh, witness that one. They are crossing. The vehicle they're already stopping and slow movement. No jeep. So we are still here in Pag-ibig. Pag-ibig, don't you call this one? Pag-ibig Homes o Pag-ibig Country Homes. Why Pag-ibig? Ba't tinawag ito na Pag-ibig?
It's from Pag-ibig, Motuari.
The houses.
Housing.
Pag-ibig. Yeah. But how about ours? Pag-ibig din yun. Matarunan din yun. But it is not called Pag-ibig.
Under the Pag-ibig,
Pag-ibig establishment. Have a glimpse of Davao Highway. Financing, yeah. This one is going to Olas, to downtown.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the one here, I'm pointing here to my right is Kalinan. going to Kalinan there. Mintal, Kalinan. And over there, downtown. You go to Diversion, Olas, Toril. So you have to pass this side. About this one. Oh, the jeep are all filled with passengers. I cannot ride. Wait and wait. This is live in Davao City. The situation of the street now. Okay, so thank you for joining me. My shared moment. Today, I am your vlogger, retired teacher. Teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Ringdon. Thank you, Mabuhayers. Thank you, Kamabuhay. I think a jeep is coming. Let me ride. Ouch! Filled with passengers. Where is that? So this is my day in Davao City. I'm getting a ride now. Okay, thank you. Thank you, yeah. So this is it. I have to close my vlog. Thank you for sharing my vlogs also and everything. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao.